Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube review channel. So today we are going to be reviewing a fidget spinner, but not the kind that you are used to. This is a different new type of spinner. So let's go ahead and unbox it. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the video description where you can check this out. So they add all kinds of different scenes that you can put on here. Looks like they got some extra parts as well, and looks like a base. I wonder if these are scents inside. You have a decal. Actually, I think you got a couple. So different decals. That one is definitely a heavier base. It actually looks like, okay. So this decal cannot be used. As you see, as I'm trying to pull it up, the sticker is just sticking to the paper. So that's alright though. So basically, it helps you calm. Alright, so you take the top off and you put the sticker on. You go ahead and you can remove all of the protective coverings on here. We can go ahead and pop that screen in there. Try and line it up. Go ahead. We'll pop this on here. Alright, so now you got the fish. So as your vent blows, depends on the speed, the fish will go faster. You have another scenery as well that you can swap it out with. You know, it's a neat design, it's pretty cool, and you can also do other designs with it, and you got scents and everything. Loves fish or loves the design and wants something for the car, or you know, you can even have it on any other fan at home. You know, it doesn't have to be your vehicle. It's a neat concept of the fish, you know, swimming over the boat or in the other picture. You know, it's a neat concept. I like the concept. You know, take it as you want. I'll still put the link. You guys and girls can check it out if you want. That's just my personal opinion. Thank you for watching.